Hello, friends, and welcome to CS Passionate. Let's start with Java tutorial series for beginners part 2. In this part, we are going to learn how does Java become platform independent. As we have already discussed that the main aim for the development of Java is to achieve the platform independentness. The team James Gosling did it with the great extent. So let's start with the secret behind the scene. As we know that the design and development of Java is made with the goal of platform independentness. The most important thing for any software is it should be run successfully on any operating system and on any processor. But as the upgradation of operating system and processor, software become unused. So, Java designers and developers worked hard for Java with a goal: write once, run anywhere. Now, let's understand the process flow. As we have the source code, then we compile that source code using Java compiler. It generates the bytecode. Bytecode is very powerful code and it is executed by Java runtime, that is Java Virtual Machine or JVM. Yes, Java does not work directly with CPU. It works on virtual CPU, and just because of JVM, we can run Java program on different platforms. The program is compiled and generate a bytecode, and then this intermediate code, that is bytecode, is interpreted by the virtual machine. As the bytecode interpreted by the JVM, it becomes slower. So, to make performance faster, Sun uses hotspot technology, and this technology provides just-in-time, that is JIT compiler for bytecode. This JIT compiler is a part of JVM. JIT compiler compiles bytecode as needed during the execution of program. Not entire code is compiled by the JIT compiler and remaining code is simply interpreted. So, the JVM virtual machine is the secret of platform independentness, portability, simplicity, dynamic compilation, all the things. That's it for today. Goodbye and have a great day.